decisions?
You mean Seabreeze to generate the user interfaces of Seaside? Huh? I know a bit of Seabreeze.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
I've never used it, no, but I don't see exactly why you make the remark.
You explained you did a lot of stuff in code. And Seabreeze says, okay, I have my model, which is separated from my UI, and there are all kinds of change update mechanisms provided in Seabreeze, and you can do you basically declaratively do your UI part with Seabreeze.
Oh, I'd be interested to take a look at it. I didn't know that was in there, but yep. And it's open source, yes. Seabreeze, yeah. Yes.
Did you consider the image-based persistency also, image as a database?
Well, yes. Unfortunately, if you use the object in a database, it looks like you're actually using image-based persistency. So that's what we really wanted. But we need a database for transaction conflicts and so on. So just the database is able to, first choice, you have to have something persistent outside of the image. So you're able to move it. The data has to be there. And secondly, the transaction conflict mechanism was an immediate target for us to handle the concurrent changes. So immediately we said, okay, we don't do this ourselves. We just delegate this to the database layer so that if concurrent changes happen, we just detect it via the database. So you have to think about this as well, that the idea is now this runs in a single user, an environment where you have one company, maybe like 20 users using it at the same time. But I have noticed that loading their database, which is they're mimicking the database already a lot with many objects for 1 or 2 years of planning already. It's not in production, so it's like a test mirror. And the image grows to 150 megabytes. But, well, I think the logical choice for persistency is to go for a database. But you want something like an image persistency. But if you want to discuss, no problem. So it won't scale, no, yeah, that's the thing. So with an image-based, maybe. Yeah, perhaps. One thing to note is that we're trying to, some of the stuff in this has been flooding back into Squeak source code. The application is not open source itself, but the database layer, the goods changes, the updating mechanism, SVG things, some of the jQuery plugins and so on, we try to move that as well to the open source. So anything that's remotely usable by anything else, anybody else not targeting event planners, well, that's open sourced. Okay, that's it. Thank you.